Beautiful Wednesday morning here in Hamburg, New York. We are at the new Amazon facility. It's I'll say pretty much vacant right now. I don't really know why, but this is what one of their facilities looks like. This will be our third one. This one's a little different, but we got all this grading to do. We've been at it for 2 days already. You can see the road, maybe see the road and the cars out there. I'd say the whole site's probably 25 acres or so. Is that where you got to go through and work up, and it's really not in that great a shape. Those are kind of finish this up, big rocks and roots everywhere that we got to kind of sift out and whatnot. Planted all these trees last fall in December, and now we're here to put lawn in everywhere. You got about 6 or 7 guys here today. We had 10 or 12 here yesterday, trying to get a good jump on this while it's dry. It's only May, so it's the beginning of May, and we're kind of shocked that we have this kind of dry weather to do this, which is good and bad, because good, we can grade, but at the same time there's no water for the grass to grow coming down. So we're just full speed ahead trying to get this grading done so we can get some seed on it, and it's supposed to rain this weekend. We'll see if it comes through or not. Let's get after it. Got a couple skid steers here. Got the T66, soil conditioner, bucket, rock hound, all that sort of jazz. We are getting after it. All right, these guys on the rakes, man, really kicking some butt. You can see they're all the way down there now. But we're hand raking all this just because it's a steep slope. We really can't fit the machine in here between the poles like this. A lot of trees, stuff to back over and damage. So, and then like down there it gets really steep. So we're just gonna do it by hand. See, I got them just raking it out into the lot. And I'm gonna come back later on with the sweeper, and we're gonna sweep literally all this right up in one shot and have it placed real nice and clean. Upper and lower, got some seed, and we'll be good. We're cruising right along. Alright, so this area here, I had dumped some rough piles of dirt, and he came in with that machine and just started kind of smoothing it around without even needing a bucket or anything. Chews it up real fine, and kind of push it up against the curb, sift out the rocks and the roots, make it good enough to hand rake, I'll say, or if we had a rock hound for that mini machine, we would be using that. That's on my list of things I'd like to have this year, is a little rock hound for that. There's a lot of areas on these jobs like this. I mean, this property is 25 acres, and the amount of small little areas, 25% is normally the minimum for landscaped area. So for every 1 acre, a quarter of it's got to be landscaped. So, but now we got the big one on. I busted my guard off earlier. It's supposed to be a guard right here, keep everything contained. Broke that off. Got this all rough graded. We had to bring some soil in. But I'm gonna do the same thing. It's probably about, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. And it's pretty warm out. Let's see what we got. Hamburg, 78 degrees today and sunny. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow 82, Friday 80. Yeah. I mean, it's nice. This is great grading weather. Hopefully get all this done. Maybe hydro seed next week. At this point, we're making good progress. We're gonna chew this up and kind of leave it for the sun to bake it, and we'll probably be at this tomorrow. I got more work going on around here, so starting to wrap this place up.